Unplugging back with another video. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that post notification bell button to be notified every time we post a video. Let's get this started. Let me tell you what I'm gonna do, alright? My husband, he's playing a game right now. Y'all know how dudes are when they playing a game. They focus. So, I'm going up in there. I'm trying to play like I'm talking to him. Well, not play, but I'm going to be talking to him. And I'm trying to get his attention. And when he don't give me his attention, I'm going to unplug the game.
What the fuck?
I know what you're saying. Girl, why would you do that? Why would you manipulate your husband like that? But you know, I'm doing this for y'all. Aww. Okay? So, make sure y'all subscribe. I can't stress it enough. Subscribe. Anyway, let's go and get into the video.
Hey, ain't gonna lie, this is a good boy. We playing. Come on. Dang, come on, man.
I said I'm my player. Sitting in my place. Get match.
Don't do that. This is a good game, though. I ain't gonna even. I got scared.
Where are you going to do again?
Move your feet. Ow.
You going anywhere this weekend?
Will you kiss with me?
Maybe. Man.
Alyssa, go get your tablet. Go get yours.
We ain't doing that.
Go get yours, baby.
Let go.
Go.
Ah! Murder! Can't stop me. 17, 14, let's do this.
Huh?
Ugh. Man, they cheating now.
Huh?
Man, it's
Do what?
Let go.
Aaliyah, get her,
Man, what's the
Get
the
over
ball, boy? Making me mad. Let go. Let go.
I want to go somewhere this weekend.
And what?
I want to go somewhere this weekend.
Get that. Get that.
I guess I'm talking to myself.
Okay, hard.
But,
Hey.
Daddy.
I'm talking to you.
So what?
I'm talking to you.
What's up? What's up?
I said I want to go somewhere this weekend.
All right, man. You go somewhere every weekend, man. What you want? Where you want to go?
I want to go see lights.
All right, bet. We're going to see lights.
What time?
I don't know. Come on the time. You want to go? Come on the time. You feel me? Man, we finally got back in the league. Don't come bugging me, man. It got hard in the mud. I ain't gonna lie. Slate's alright on here. Alright, the Slate. I thought it was gonna be easy to beat. We're going tit for tat. Oh! How I missed that boy. Somebody got a matter with the body, get a gather, they answer that question, gotta go on, man. I'm gonna get him. Put your number in, make a level, gonna hit him. Come to the mess, they can you gonna get him. Let's see. Come on, do this. Hey man, my hand's sweaty. Oh! Good boy.
You suck anyway. Shut up.
Good hit, my boy.
You suck anyway.
That boy barking.
Yeah, you heard that, didn't you?
I heard through the thing. Did the thing go off?
No.
I bet.
It went out when you were screaming.
I bet. You gotta put it on one. You good?
No.
You bet. You bet.
I heard that dog.
Let go.
What we gonna do for my birthday?
Let go.
Cause I was really thinking.
Let go. Let go.
Yeah, I'm sure what we're gonna do for my
Woo!
birthday. Daddy, calm down, Daddy. What am I gonna do
We
for
go,
my
dog.
birthday? What we gonna do for my birthday?
That boy eating. That boy eating on mama now. Man, let go.
So you realize gonna sit here and
What's
not
up?
pay attention to what I gotta say?
What you saying, man? Man, I'm playing a game, man.
I don't care what you
Shut up,
playing.
boy.
You hear me talking to you, you supposed to pay attention to your woman.
Man, listen, I bet you every day. Now, when I want to play the game, you got a problem, man. What's up with you? What's, man? You about to lose, yo. I'm about to bust your butt. What you want, bro?
Daddy, calm down. It's just a game.
Man, good God almighty, man. Come on.
It's just a game.
What you need?
She said,
What we gonna do for my birthday?
Good job, good job, good
Daddy.
job. Good job. What you want to do for your birthday, man? What you want to do?
I don't know, that's why I'm asking you.
Hey, it's your birthday, man. You know, I can't tell you what you want to do. Come on!
Why you doing all that screaming?
About to get slipped.
Nick? Oh, mama, nigga, Nick. Well, we got the defense on high. Come on here. We don't play. We don't do this for fun.
I'm gonna take the car. I'm gonna leave you here at the
How we
house.
come back like that?
Okay?
How we come back like that, though?
Alright.
9-21-17. Let's go. Man, sit down, bruh. On mama now. We don't play. We don't do this for fun. What's going on? What the hell you just do?
I don't know. But what I was saying,
Hold on, though. What the hell you just do, though? I know you didn't do what I think you did. Hey, I know you didn't do what I think you did, though.
but what I was saying,
Hey, I know you didn't do what I just think you did, man.
babe, you too busy in
I
this
know
game.
you ain't do
even
that.
thinking about me.
I know you ain't do that.
You ain't even think about what I gotta say.
I know you didn't do that. You did that, didn't you?
I did.
So you walked right over there and unplugged my shit.
I did. You
walked-
ain't listening
So
to
you
me.
walked your ass way over there and unplugged my shit.
I did. You ain't listening to me.
Cause you must be hitting the motherfucking bag or something. Cause you
No.
motherfucking lose your fucking mind in this motherfucker.
No, you ain't listening to me.
You crazy, bro. What's wrong with you?
What wrong with you?
Man, I'm playing my game.
Okay, but
Free
I'm talking
spare
to
time.
you. I'm talking to
I
you.
talk to you every day.
But this important.
You could have been talking to me before I got on the game. Now you want to come talk to
It
me,
ain't
bro.
hit in my head until now.
Man, we've been talking all day, but before I got on the game, you want to talk.
Well, can you listen to me now since the game?
Man, I can't. Did you just do that?
I did.
You gotta be drinking. It better be. Hey, I know.
What you gonna try to cut it back on?
I know you ain't just
Let's
do
see how
that.
this play out.
I didn't get my game on.
I ain't just cut it off. I
Yo,
unplugged your game.
You unplugged my
I
shit?
did. Cause you ain't listening to
Yo,
me.
is you nutty?
No, you
Fuck out of here.
really? Now if you break it, you gonna be buying
Yo,
another one.
B,
I
you
did.
could have messed my stuff up.
Knowing mama, she gonna want that.
No, I wasn't gonna mess that up if I unplugged it.
You don't know that. You don't know that. You yanking it out hard. You could have tore the inside thing up. Bruh, I just know you. Bruh. I know you ain't just do that, bruh.
Was you deep in it?
I know you just did. What you think? Was that fourth quarter? I came back. It was tit for tat. Hey. Boy. Boy,
So?
But that's what mama was saying.
I'm about to bust your
Exactly,
butt.
that's
man.
what I was
I don't care
saying.
nothing about what y'all saying,
What
bruh.
we gonna do
I don't
for
care
my
nothing about what
birthday?
you're saying. Now we ain't gonna do nothing on your birthday but play the game. I'm gonna play the game all day on your birthday. Straight up. What we gonna do on my birthday? What we gonna do on my birthday? You could have told me that before I played the game. You could have told me that after I played the game. You could have told me that way before. We're talking all day. All day. But soon as I decided to go in the game, you want to come ramble your mouth like Rambo.
Oh, I know one.
Who it is?
Don't worry about it. Since you don't know, don't worry about it. Because I don't even want to explain that.
I know one. Daddy.
I don't care.
Listen, Daddy.
I'm not hearing that mess, man.
Listen.
I don't care nothing about it.
Anyway.
I play the game back up, though. Play the game back up, though. I'm about to bust your butt, huh?
Nah, since you been out the bin, you gonna plug up your
Plug my
game
game
back
up,
up.
bro.
You gonna plug it back up since you wanna be the man.
You better go plug
You
my
gonna
game
plug it
back
back up till you wanna be the man.
You better go plug it back up,
I was
man.
gonna go plug it up until you
Man,
had
go
to
plug
flap
it
your
back
mouth.
up, man. Go plug my game back up, man.
Go plug it up.
Go plug it up, man.
Go plug it up.
You gonna do it. You
You
gonna plug
gonna
it?
do it.
Okay. You gonna stop playing me, bro. I'm gonna plug my game back up,
I'm
man.
not finna plug your game
I'm about
back up.
to about to bush it.
I'm not finna plug your game back up. You go plug it back
You
up.
gonna plug it back up.
Once you playing it,
Okay, who walked over there and unplug it? You walking happy behind over there and unplug it? Go back and plug it back up again. Now get your goofy butt on somewhere over there and cut it on, bro. I don't know what you putting down, man.
I don't know what chord it
Well,
is.
figure it out. You figure out how to unplug it, then. Now look at the phone. All right, go put it on once. Hurry up, man.
I don't know how to.
Man, do it.
You ain't finna be raising your voice at me. You gonna do it. Will you do my phone? Did you throw my phone?
Yeah, do your phone. Now go now. Unplug my stuff back up, bro. Go put my stuff back up, bro.
Man, quit playing with me. Quit playing with me.
Well, plug my stuff back
Cause
up.
you ain't listening to me.
Man, listen.
See,
I
you
just
were
feel-
wrong with y'all guys. Y'all
Don't do
end
that.
up getting
Don't
on
do
this
that.
game.
Don't do that.
What?
Don't do that.
Y'all end up getting
Don't
on
do
this
that. Don't do that.
game.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Like I
Don't do
said,
that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
you
Don't
try.
do that. Hey man. Hey.
Y'all
Hey
end up
man.
getting on the game and y'all
Hey,
don't think
man.
about the people that's around you that's talking to you.
Okay,
I
well,
could be
listen.
saying some real life stuff and you
Man,
ain't
I
even
talk to
listening.
you all day.
So, it is just not
Why
coming
the find a time? Why you
It's
find a
just not
time to
coming
do
to
that
my
now?
head.
Hey, don't spit on me no more either, bro. If I still like you, bro. I done gave you 2 minute passes out here, bro.
Hey, man.
I done gave you 2 minute passes out here.
I was just doing that as a joke.
Man, I don't care nothing about all that. Your joke going too far now. I don't care nothing about your joke. Now plug it back up and go about your business.
Seriously, I don't know how to plug it back up.
Well, you better figure it out
Without
then.
moving all that stuff.
Figure that. Well, I'm gonna reset your phone then. Oh, yeah, you ain't gonna know. Hey, get
Look,
back up,
don't
man.
reset
Hey,
my
back
phone.
up, man.
I'm reset your
Hey, put
headphones.
my headphone down, man. My headphone cost more than the phone.
I know you a lie.
I ain't lying. Get my phone. Give me my headphone, man. Hey, get away from my game.
She trying to help out.
Get your clumsy behind away from my game. Every time you touch scramble. I don't get away from my game.
Duh, I don't know how to plug this up, man.
Man, I'm about to steal it. Get out of my way, man. Move, man. Move. Move. Move, man. Get out my, go sit down, man.
You ain't had to do all this.
Man. Hey, man.
You ain't do all
What's
this.
all on me, man? What's so funny? Hold on, man. Mika, get over here. Mika, get over here. Okay. I'm glad you feel like that, too. I like that. I'm glad you feel like that. You finna get him, I got. Word up, B. You ain't get nothing to do with that. You ain't get nothing. Now.
Really?
You ain't get nothing.
Nothing. That's how you feel. Nothing. Alright.
It ain't even cutting all that.
Don't forget your birthday coming up too.
My birthday coming no time soon.
Bye. Bye.
My birthday coming no time. Get out my way and listen, man. Get out my face with the camera.
But it's a prank.
Man,
I want
when
to
I'm trying
irritate
enjoy my day,
you.
when I'm trying to enjoy my day, bro, you up here bugging me, man. Every time I try to calm down and relax, from
You
a
mad,
long day or
ain't it?
something, bro, you bugging me.
You mad, ain't it?
Yeah, put the camera down, man. What you is? You want to be them
What?
vixen girls on Instagram or something?
You mad now, huh?
Look at you done done, bro.
What they say? What they said? Chicken storage system.
You messing my game up. They finna come out your pocket.
To my your pocket.
You can call somebody who's gonna need some money real quick.
To my your pocket.
Nah, they don't come out your pocket.
But you gotta connect your game. It ain't
Say,
connected.
bro.
Oh, there it go.
One for the call, one for the call.
You ain't finna call nobody.
I'm about to call somebody,
You ain't
bro.
finna call nobody.
I'm about to call somebody. Give me the phone back.
You ain't finna call nobody. Cause guess what? There was a prank. And we finna end it right here.
I don't care nothing about that.
On that note.
Look at that. Look what it say.
The PS4 was not turned off properly. Please unplug the AC. Oh, okay.
You ain't rap.
Hee hee. Hello.
Aim up, bro.
Anyway, I'm done with this video. I think I did enough.
Video.
I think I did a good job. What you
You ain't
think?
doing no good job.
I think I did good. But anyway, make sure y'all like,
What's up?
comment, and subscribe,
What's up?
and hit that post notification
Hey, get out
bell
my
button
way,
to be
man.
notified
Move,
every
man.
video.
Hey, man, get out my way, man.
Like this one
Or better